Hello guys, this is Tech Help Kai. In this video I'll be showing you how to upload a short on YouTube. So all you have to do is to open your YouTube application here. After doing so, all you have to do now is to, let's say if you would like to upload your shorts, you see this plus icon on the bottom part of your screen. Just click on that, and then all you have to do to upload a short is you have to choose between all the videos that you have in your gallery. Now, okay, let's say on my gallery I would choose this video. So just hit on that, and in this one you could edit your video. Um, can at least cut down the unnecessary parts that you would like to cut. Now, let's say on this one, okay, let's go ahead and wait for it to be processed. And okay, let's try to cut this video down so it will be shorter. So it'll be much more faster to process. Okay, there you go. And then just click on next. Okay, and here guys, you could add the details and upload the short. Now, if you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe.